okay? Then you can take a break for a while.
Reheat. Re. Again. To heat again. Okay, Karen, I get it.
He gets what? I think he's talking about the prefix re.
Prefix? What about it?
About how a prefix gives new meaning to a word.
I remember our teacher gave examples of prefix, like in and this.
Those are good examples of prefixes. But why do you look so confused?
Why do they turn some words into negative words?
Okay. That's because prefixes like in, this, and on mean not.
Teka. Bago na naman yan, ha?
There are different kinds of prefixes, Ingo. They all have special meanings. Like on, this, and in are all samples of prefixes. They mean something is not. Just add it to the word. And if you don't agree, you simply say, I disagree. And if it's not correct, you say,
You simply say it's incorrect.
oh, goody. Let's all be happy. Don't frown and look unhappy. You'll never get lost with prefix once you know which one to add. And if you know the meaning of the word, I'll repeat it just for the record. On, this, and in are all samples of prefixes. They mean not.
Not.
Try it out and see what you got.
Mas malamig pa to sa ilong ng pusa, eh.
That's why I said I would reheat the salabat. Remember?
Reheat. As in, to heat again. Of course, I remember.
So by adding a prefix at the beginning of a word,
We give that word a new meaning.
Right.